Looking for a network cable that delivers durability without the headaches of tricky installation? This Snagless Cat6 cable is designed to make your setup smoother and faster. Whether you're connecting adapters, hubs, switches, routers, or modems, its snagless design prevents cable snags that slow you down or cause damage. What really makes this cable stand out is its construction. Featuring standard RJ45 connectors and 24 Aruban fluorines stranded bare copper conductors, it meets all Cat6 TIA, EIA standards. That means it's built to handle fast Ethernet and Gigabit networks with ease, supporting bandwidth-heavy voice, data, or video applications without missing a beat. Each of the 4 twisted pairs inside is tightly bonded to maintain proper twist spacing right up to the connectors. This design reduces near-end crosstalk, next, and structural return loss, SRL, so your signal stays clean and reliable, even over longer cable runs. That's a big deal when consistent performance matters. The molded snagless boot isn't just a stylish touch. It provides extra strain relief and stops those frustrating snags that can damage cables or slow your work. Unlike typical snagless ends that can stick or break under pressure, this boot clips in and out smoothly, making plugging and unplugging effortless. IT pros and everyday installers alike appreciate this cable's thoughtful design. One IT company owner mentioned how the soft tab cover feels delicate at first but actually makes connecting and disconnecting much easier, perfect for complex network setups where time and reliability count. Plus, it comes in multiple colors, helping you keep your network organized and easy to manage. Color-coding cables speeds up troubleshooting and upgrades, cutting downtime and frustration when you need to work quickly. If you're tired of cheap cables that snag or fail, this Snagless Cat6 cable is worth a look. It offers proven performance with a smart design that supports reliable connections every time you plug in. Ready to upgrade your network with a cable that works as hard as you do? Try this Snagless Cat6 cable when you want smoother installations and consistent, high-speed performance that won't let you down.